you want to start saving money in 2026 and be serious about it, but you don't want it to take up so much of your time, then this video is for you. We're going couponing at Walgreens using only our phone. We have a ton of incredible deals. We're getting laundry products for $2.99. We're getting diapers for $4.25 a piece, baby wipes, hair care, you name it. There's so many easy deals that you can save money on. So if you're serious about your financial goals for 2026, trust me, start couponing and tracking your spending. It's so easy once you get started, and it can truly change your life. So in this video, I'm going to break down all the deals with you guys. Below in the description box is also a printable breakdown with some of the deals that I'm going to be doing in store today. Some deals may vary based on what kind of digital coupons and stuff you have, so just make sure that you're double checking your account before you go into the store. Today is also the last day for this digital booster. Spend $40, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. This is the same multi-use booster that we've been using for the past couple of weeks. So if you already clipped it previously and used it, that's okay. You can keep using it. All of the transactions where you're hitting that $40 spend amount, you're gonna earn back the $10 in Walgreens cash. So I'm gonna be doing two today, one on a bunch of household and personal care products, and one transaction on diapers and wipes to show you exactly how to really maximize your savings. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Bree. My channel is dedicated to helping you save money and reach your financial goals. So if that's something you're interested in, you should definitely subscribe and stick around. Let's head inside and take advantage of some amazing deals this week. First, we're gonna start off strong with an amazing deal on Huggies diapers and wipes. So I just tested it out online, added the products to my cart, and I found a lot of digital coupons that I didn't realize I had that I had previously clipped. So let's go over this deal. They are in store, buy 3, get a $10 register reward, and products are 2 for $21. What I'm gonna do is grab 2 of the Huggies Snug and Dry. I have a $2 off one digital coupon. I also have a $1 off one digital coupon that I clipped previously that will work for the second pack. Next, I'm gonna grab a Huggies pull-ups. They are 2 for $21, but I'm gonna grab one of these. The next product I'm gonna grab is one of these boxes of wipes that are also 2 for $21. Now, when I grab both of them, because I have one of the Huggies pull-ups and one of these, because there's 2, they're still then ringing in at the sale price of 2 for $21. I also have a separate $1 off one digital coupon for the Huggies wipes. Okay, so this is gonna be one transaction by itself. Total is $42 worth of products. We still have the digital booster that does expire today for spend $40, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. That is the same booster that we've been using for the last couple weeks. So once you've clipped it, you don't have to clip it again. It'll just automatically work because it's a multi-use booster, meaning it'll work on every transaction that you reach that $40 spend amount. We're at $42. After all of the digital coupons come off, we have $5 in digitals. You'll pay $37 out of pocket, earn back the $10 register reward plus $10 in Walgreens cash, makes your net cost $17 for 4 bags and boxes, or $4.25 a piece. That is a steal, and I'm so excited that the wipes are actually included. If you need this deal, run and grab them. There was only one of these boxes left. Next, we're stocking up on some laundry products for super cheap. So what we're gonna do is the Tide Downy Bounce and Gain deal. They're buy 4, earn back a $5 register reward. This is an in-store deal again. Grab one of the Tide Pods, clip the $1 off one digital coupon. There's also a $1 digital for the Tide Liquid. All of these are the same price point too. I'm grabbing a Gain Liquid, another $1 off one digital coupon. And finally, I'm gonna grab a Downy, the 5 ounce. There is a $2 off one digital coupon. Now, another thing you can do to save a little bit more, if your store has the small Downy rinse at $5.49, there's a $1.50 digital for that one. So you can use that in place of either the Tide or the Gain. That'll save you an additional 50 cents. Like I said, my store is out, so I switched up the deal a little bit. Total for these 4 products is $21.96. After the coupons come off, you're gonna pay $16.96, earn back the $5 register reward, makes your net cost $11.96 for all 4 products, or $2.99 a piece. That is definitely a stock up price for laundry care. Next deal, I'm so excited I can actually take advantage of these. The Purex Liquid are on sale for $1.99 a piece. I'm grabbing 2 of them. We have a $1 cashback offer on Ibotta. Not every account will get this though. The past couple times I've seen everybody posting about it on social media. I didn't have it, but now I finally do. So I'm gonna be able to grab 2 of them for 99 cents a piece. Another easy deal is on the Febreze small spaces. They're on sale for $3.49. Grab one, clip the $2.50 digital coupon, makes it 99 cents. Next, we're grabbing some hair care. The TRESemmé deal is a great deal this week. They're on sale for $6 each, and when you buy two in store, you'll get back a $4 register reward. So I'm gonna grab a shampoo and a conditioner. We have a $4 off two digital coupon. You're gonna pay $8 out of pocket, get back a $4 register reward, makes your final cost $2 a piece. I think that's a good stock up price for TRESemmé. Next deal, you know we have to stock up on some oral care, so we're gonna do the Colgate deal. They are buy two, get a $5 register reward, and they're $5 each on sale. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupons. You're gonna clip that in the Walgreens app. You'll pay $6, earn back a $5 register reward, makes your final cost $1 for 2 of them, or 50 cents each. There is a Fetch Rewards bonus as well, so definitely check your account and see if you have it. So we're back in from Walgreens. Let's go over my 2 transactions. So the first transaction, I did the Colgate, the Purex, the TRESemmé, the Febreze small spaces, and the laundry deal. Here's one register reward I had from last week. Then all the digital coupons came off. The $4 off each is for the TRESemmé and the Colgate. $2.50 is for the Febreze. The rest of the digital coupons are for the laundry products. I rolled $10 in Walgreens cash, paid $23.83 out of pocket. Then I earned back the $10 in Walgreens cash, $10.41. Plus I got back all the register rewards for doing the deals. Again, make sure you're watching the expiration date on the register rewards. Some of them are expiring really quickly, so you want to make sure that you're using them before they expire. That is so, so important. My next transaction, I did the Huggies deal. And then I also picked up some photos. I mentioned it in my CVS haul. There was a photo ornament on clearance for $2.50. I had the best photos that we just took that I'm going to be putting in there, so I'm super excited about that. And Walgreens always has the best photo deals. They always have promo codes as well. So this week it was 40 phone and it saved you 40%. So I got 2 4x4s for 53 cents. Anyway, rolled those register rewards that I literally just earned in my first transaction. These are all the digital coupons that came off of the Huggies. I didn't use any Walgreens cash. I paid $23.57 out of pocket. Got back another $10.42, sorry. Plus, I submitted my receipt for the first transaction to Ibotta and got the cash back on the Purex. So now, the second most important part, first is couponing, second is tracking your spending. So in my Everyday Savings Club, it comes included with my digital budget spreadsheet. If you're not in the club and you want to join, that link is below. Or if you just want to snag the spreadsheet, I linked it for you guys. Let's head home and enter this into our budget spreadsheet so we can see exactly how much money we saved. Okay, we're back home from Walgreens. Let's open up my digital budget spreadsheet. If you guys want to snag it, again, it's linked below for you guys, or it's included in my Everyday Savings Club. So this is the spreadsheet. What we're going to do is enter in each line as a transaction. So that's what I do personally. If you want to group it together, you definitely can. So my first transaction was $51.43 worth of products. That's the sale price. Out of pocket, I paid $23.83. Rewards, I used $15. Total cash back on this one, $2 from Ibotta. And rewards earned on this one was $24.41. My next transaction was $42.53. My out of pocket, I swiped my card for $23.57. Rewards I used was $14. No cash back. Rewards I earned back on this one, $20.42. So what did that take me? About 45 seconds. That's all it takes to do this every single day. Anytime you go shopping, 45 seconds, enter it in. That way, every time you open up your spreadsheet, you know exactly how much money you saved. So this is the last haul that I'm doing for 2025, which is so exciting. I saved $838.83 in 1 month, grabbing all of the products that my family actually uses, all of the diapers that we use, the wipes, the laundry products, the hair care, the paper products, you name it, by doing the right digital coupon deals and tracking my spending. Those are the main two things that I'm doing every single week, and that's how I'm able to get results like this. So in my Everyday Savings Club, you can get results like this too. Literally anyone can. Like, you don't need a college degree, you don't need a high school diploma. Anybody can do it when you just follow the right steps and the right structure. So if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.